college apply मेहंदी. So I go at the time we have sir क्या चल रहा है अब? नौरता फेस्टिवल नवरात्रि तो every girls apply मेहंदी. Easily I can earn money.
The person is the boss. The boss is only the owner of the company, na?
Change the company. Why are you working there?
How can I change the company? Right now you have said that the job is not replacement, as you have just said to your brother. How can I?
Sir, but
It is. You are saying कि where will you earn money? That's why I am saying.
Yes.
when something occurring with her, she should be aware. She should complain of police station.
I'm aware of. Every girl is aware of. What are you telling? Every girl is aware that it is not safe.
So sir, just because of a molestation occur, a business should be stopped.
Welcome everybody. We have done multiple times group discussion, and today we have a group debate, right? Group discussion we do when we are in the conference. We have group discussion, we discuss multiple things. Here we have group debate today, and I know in this group debate the business supporters cannot win because their energy looks like they have not drunk Sting today. I think you all need Sting today. Do you like Sting, guys? Then where is your energy, guys? And look at these people. Lethargic, right? And I can see their energy is like Red Bull, right? So guys, listen to me. Today we have decided a topic in batch E. The topic is business versus job. And these people are supporting job, guys. And you people are business oriented and you have decided business, guys. So one person will be speaking from there and you all have to ask question from here. If they are actually agreeing, so it's okay. Otherwise you have to continue asking question and that speaker can come to you as well. It's kind of kabaddi talks, guys. Hello sir, how are you? Are you okay?
Yes.
No problem. Please take your seat. All right, guys. Are you ready? Yes, sir. So I would like to welcome the first person. He was looking like, very colorful. And let's see the color of Mr. Ahlan Mahalan. Come on. Mr. Hafidji Shaukat, please come here and address and present your team talking about business. You have to prove them wrong that, excuse me, the job is not good, but business is really good. Hey, you have kharra? This kharra is not allowed. Now, your point should be from here, right? Come on. Everybody get ready to ask question. Come on. Hello.
Hello, good evening, ladies and gentlemen.
Tell these people, come on. Tell them.
Good morning, good evening, ladies and gentlemen. Today we are here to discuss about job versus business. What is most valuable for our life, business or job? So we are supporter. We are supporter of business. And we should do business. And you are supporter of job.
You don't need to tell that, okay?
Yes, sir.
We already know that. Here, come to the point, please, right?
So I want to say that business is the most valuable thing for us.
Really, guys?
If we do business and we become businessmen, so we can increase our GDP.
Really?
Yes, sir.
Oh my goodness.
Let me complete. And a businessman can provide many jobs. But,
really?
Yes, sir. But a job man cannot provide any job anywhere.
Wrong.
Forever. No, sir.
Wrong.
No, sir. It's correct.
Guys, a job holder can also provide jobs.
No, sir.
Yes, why not? Why not?
No, sir.
IAS officer has many job holders at his home. What are you talking about? No, at home. Guys, come on, tell me.
IAS officer. How can you say?
At home.
At home?
Servants are there at home.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
No.
We can hire a servant for doing sweeping and a servant. Yeah, a servant hire for housekeeping.
It's a low number.
Oh, how to say? How to say? You are.
No, sir. It's a low number. We cannot count this. No. What is that?
You know Sundar Pichai? My Sasurji is doing the same thing, guys. How can he disrespect my father-in-law? My father is moping actually. How can you disrespect my father-in-law? He is disrespecting my father-in-law, guys. What is this? What is this? No, my father is sweep.
Sir.
My
You are
father.
telling out a lie. You are unmarried, sir.
My father-in-law.
Sir, you are unmarried. Until
How
now
could
are
you say
married.
that?
You
How
are
could you say that?
unmarried.
No. I'm married person. I'm married.
Wife, photo show me.
Toba. Guys, Hafiji wants to see girl. Hafiji wants to see girl. No, why should I show my wife photo? Why should I show?
Why? Because you are
No,
saying lies.
she is gair mahram for you. Yeah, exactly. Please come here. No. First of all, he is disrespecting. He's saying low job. What is that? Arey, job is job.
It's not job. It's a serving. We are serving. It's a serving.
We always have been said that no work is small and big. Every job is the same. It's depend on the person how whatever he's doing. We are no one.
But we are talking about business and job. Business
Like,
is
see.
not a business. Only it's a.
You have said, let me answer you back. You have said that it's a low job. We are no one to compare anyone saying that he's doing job is job. Like,
No, if any thief, he says that I am a job person. What are you do? I steal something. It's my job. It's a job. Stealing is job.
see,
Stealing is job.
stealing
No,
is not job.
No, stealing is job.
Stealing is-
No.
Excuse me, mister.
You cannot see about.
You are only shouting. You are only shouting.
No, sir.
You are just shouting.
If any person.
But I think a businessman can be thief. Yes. But a job holder cannot be thief. You don't understand that.
Best.
Sir, you said that a businessman can be thief, but also I want to say that a job holder can be bribed, can take bribe, can take rishwat.
For being thief, first we have that type of skill. Then we can become thief.
Yes. Without skill,
Without skill, you can't become thief. Yes. If without skill, if you are doing thief job, then you will get sentence. Means
I don't.
It means you are saying like a Pakistan soldier doing a wrong thing, like a Pulwama, like a Pakistan soldier doing a wrong thing in India. It means it is not a job for a Pakistan.
No,
They
it's
are
not
also
job.
serving
It's
our
not-
nation.
No. It's
They
I
are
don't
also
accept-
doing
I
jobs,
don't-
sir, for
I
Pakistan.
cannot accept this. It is a job. Terrorist and violation is not job.
No, it is
No,
job.
sir,
If
it's
you are
not-
getting a
sir,
money, it
violation
is a job.
Violation is job.
According to the violation, but a person who does is not a violation for him.
Yes.
Yes. Sit down, please. Thank you so much.
Sir, what?
Yes. Mr. Anurag.
So the people asking, the people saying business is good, sir. Sir, according to me, sir, business is not good because, sir, every businessman firstly doing job. Every businessman, and sir, every people can't become a successful business. This is universal truth. Okay. You know, all people can't become a businessman, okay? Because he has no money. Because firstly, money problem. That's why, yes, firstly job. And every successful businessman firstly doing job. Okay? And no, sir, please, Hafiz. Yes. Yes, you can. Yes. Yes. He has answer, sir. Okay, sir.
And at that time, if you have no money, how can you prepare a job?
Huh?
How can
No.
you prepare a job?
On the basis of study skills.
Study and skill. If you have any skills, na, that time you sell any product.
I am doing job on the basis
And
of
you
skill
create
and
your
study
shop.
and knowledge.
And
Okay.
then after,
Mr. Shankar, you said meaningless type of talk. Okay. Firstly, Mr. Shankar, you know every.
and he is mentioning that you need money for starting job.
Yes, sir.
Yes, of course.
No, sir. Firstly, no, sir. Sir, please, sir, please.
Sir, also, 1 minute. Sir, 1 minute, sir. Sir, I want to say something, sir.
Yes, please. Sir, please.
See, Anurag's point, listen
Sir,
to me carefully.
sir,
Listen to me. Anurag's point is that to start a business, you require money actually. Yes. Right? And how will you collect money? You need to do job.
Yes.
After doing job, you will collect amount of money.
Yes.
Then you will be able to start your business. That is the point. Now.
He is saying that a businessman can't be successful. I am saying that if a job person can have a security about their job,
Yes.
can be
Yes.
They can be.
Yes.
They can be replaced anytime, anyhow. They will be replaced.
No. Business is very risky for every people. Okay. Business. If you want to doing business, the business is very risky for all people. Okay.
We are ready to
Every
take a
people
risk.
every people can't.
We are
Every
ready
people
to
can't.
take a risk.
Okay. Firstly.
You have to tell about capital. You need to talk about money.
So firstly listen.
You can start with your zero investment like I have said. He don't have it.
Cabs are also doing
If
job.
you have a skill,
No.
you can start with zero investment.
Firstly, please listen.
If you have a skill, you can start your business with zero investment.
Please,
You can. No,
please
there is
speak.
no need to job.
Listen.
You can if you are doing job,
Yes.
so you are being a job like for the lifetime, like for the next generation you are doing job. And if you are a businessman, so you can expand your business and you can live your luxury life.
You know,
and you can
firstly,
enjoy.
no. Firstly, okay. Listen. Firstly, every small job can create a big business. Okay.
And you can develop as well as India.
Every businessman,
India also with business.
Every
And
businessman
if you are
needed.
a job holder, just you are doing job.
Firstly, listen.
No,
No.
it's like
This
that.
is wrong.
ये बदल बोले This is my famous dialogue. I want to say, if you have knowledge, that time you earn easily money. You have brain, that time you earn easily money. For example, you can earn, for example, जैसे I have knowledge, apply मेहंदी. So I go at the time we have, sir क्या चल रहा है? नौरता फेस्टिवल नवरात्रि तो every girls like every girls apply मेहंदी easily I can earn money I can earn money easily. This is not business. If I you are
Please,
saying
it is-
you are saying कि very
It is. Please, it is.
You are saying कि where will you earn money? That's why I'm saying.
Yes. Please, listen.
She wants to say, okay, I don't have
Yeah,
no
yeah,
problem. I can apply.
I
maybe
understood,
and
sir.
earn money.
I understood, sir.
Wow, Anju is right.
No, sir.
Anju's right.
Sir,
Yes, you're right.
sir, this is.
That time I earn money.
This is not business. This is
Listen to me.
This is not business, sir.
Listen me. You can say na where will money? That time I earn money some and I start my business.
No. If I have.
She has told good alternative.
No, sir. If have. Sir, firstly,
See, the point was raised that ki how will you start your business? From where will you collect money? And she has given good alternative.
On the basis of job.
It's
Firstly,
not a
firstly
job.
I'm doing job.
It's not a job. It is
No.
self-employment. It is self-employment.
Okay, I have a pen, but what about money,
No,
sir?
I'm sorry. Next point, please. Next opinion from this team, please. Next opinion from this team. You have shared, right? Now get ready to ask question.
God give me life on time. Sir, life spend your with family, with your brother, with your parents. But job holder always spend your job. Sorry, job holder spend your with family. Not just like businessman, only for earning money, only for earning money. And second point is businessman. Businessmen always thinking our India 60% people job holder and 15% people businessman and 10% man I think farmer other people and 50% those people only for thinking job I will become a businessman.
They are so-called businessmen.
Yeah. They people don't. Okay.
Okay, you are saying
Job is all about where your efforts build someone else's dream.
Business. Say again.
Job. नहीं यार सर जॉब
Oh, he's right. He is right. He is right, yeah. किसी और किस्म का
ऑन क्या हो रहा है जॉब इज ऑल अबाउट वेयर योर ड्रीम बिल्ड समवन एल्स ड्रीम जॉब इज ऑल अबाउट बिल्ड वेयर योर एफर्ट्स बिल्ड समवन एल्स ड्रीम
Understood it? Yes, sir. Now, it is your answer or question? Okay, public question. Everyone can ask question to anybody. Excuse me, Maya. What is the question? Question is to anyone.
If you do have lack of innovation, if you have lack of innovation, how do you do?
Innovation.
Innovation.
If I believe in my business, I believe in my word.
What is your creativity if you have no creativity?
If I creative, ma'am, I want to say you are saying every person has. I want to say, ma'am, ma'am, in this you go and see Kapurthala anyway. If you apply.
You can bearing magic 1 hour to take 1 hand.
I want to say, ma'am, because of you go and see Kapurthala anywhere, one hand you give, every person give 500 rupees. If, sir, I tell this to
अरे सी टॉपिक इनोवेशन में
innovation मतलब
कोई क्रिएटिविटी कोई एबिलिटी कोई काबिलियत
ma'am, I have many lots of creativity.
सी सिंग इफ यू डू नॉट हैव
If you do know her, that time,
Any innovation.
if I don't,
other people need to ask Anju, please.
every person, sir, you saved me. Every person has one quality, God gifted.
क्वालिटी नहीं क्वालिटी
Creativity.
क्वालिटी
Every person has one quality
Yes.
created,
Yes.
God gifted.
Yes.
So that time every person use this quality. How can possible?
Yes.
How can possible, sir?
She has, how can
every
you
person you have quality, you have but you are saying कि there are many people.
अच्छा ठीक है अंजू someone wants to speak और हाँ guys, the question arises here, what if you do not have innovation? If you do not have creativity, just let's suppose our mother doesn't have any innovation. So how can she start a business? I'm just supposing, right? Maybe mother can have innovation as well. Anju, please wait. Other people also, right? Anybody wants to reply? Maya. This is a good point actually. Mike would be there. Anybody can speak.
I have question.
You have question or you have answer? Yes. What if you do not have ability, creativity, innovation, ideas?
Yes, sir. Sir, I can start business without money because I have a knowledge.
It's not about money.
Yes,
It's
sir.
about.
Yes, I have a knowledge. I have a knowledge of digital marketing, sir. I have a knowledge of digital marketing. Suppose I have no product, but I am freelancing and I attach Flipkart, Amazon. So
I can do dropping shipping, yeah.
Yes, drop shipping.
Also, you need money for.
How can you say? I have no.
For freelancing, he doesn't require money, right? Freelancing. And that is job. Oh! Freelancing is job, sir. Freelancing, you do under somebody or for somebody.
But sir,
Freelancing is something that you do for somebody. You mentioned about freelancing. Opinion, please, from this team. Anybody wants to say an opinion, please? Come on, hurry up. Anybody. Opinion. Everybody has to ask question. No, opinion. Hurry up, you have no time, please. Ask, opinion. Everybody get ready, come on.
Good evening, everyone.
Yes.
Good evening, everyone. This is me, Narendra Kumar. I am in favor of business. What is business? Business is a process. Selling a business is a process. Selling a product day by day. That is called business. Business is a future. Job is not a future. If you do business, on business, you can earn so much money as compared to job.
If you don't have a skill, so you can make tea na. By tea you can earn money. By tea, everyone have that skill. Everyone have cooking skill. But everyone have such that much of skill if you have mind. I'm not talking about GDP, just I'm talking about skill.
How can you see the GDP? Guys, ask.
Job holder also pay the tax to government. And how you can say only businessmen to pay tax to government or to anyone to improve GDP? Job holder also improve the GDP.
But there you are talking about skill.
No, businessmen are liar. They thief because they don't pay any tax. They
So
doing
you
like
to do job
any
under the businessman if they are liar.
businessman invest their businessman invest their money to in shareholder.
And you like to do job under the businessman, why?
He's saying that all businessman is thief and all. It means Mukesh Ambani.
I am not telling all.
He is abusing him.
No, I am not abusing, man. I am not abusing. I am speaking here. 80%.
Sorry.
They are saying maybe they are not paying taxes.
Okay.
Yes,
And from where he will get
there is.
salary? When a businessman give him salary, after that he will pay to government.
Sir, there is a live example of Elon Musk. They said, I invest to my whole amount into the share market, and that's why he doesn't pay any
But
tax.
still many job holder are doing
But
under
job
the-
holder,
under
job
businessman,
holder,
na?
yeah, 100% job holder paying the tax. Who are unable to 12 lakh plus in per annum.
I have already did job, okay, in Mumbai. Many job holder take his salary in cash. They are not paying tax.
How you can say? How you can say? Lots of organizations send the money into their account. And if it doesn't matter about the case, about the any.
You know how tax work? How tax is work? You know how tax work? Yeah.
Hello everyone, good evening. Hello sir, good evening. First of all, thank you sir having me this great opportunity. So today topic is job versus business. So I am support job. Job is better than business because I am a student. My father have not money, but I can do job and I also doing my graduation. But I have not money and I want to start business. But how can I start business? And also, when I will do job in future, so my salary is fixed.
Do you know about the forever? Forever is also is a business. You can do with your.
Tell me one
study.
business name.
Forever. Don't know about the forever.
Okay.
Cloud kitchen.
But
It's not job. It's not job. It's providing job. Forever is a product. You can sell and you can promote that product. That is a business. Promotion is a business, not a job.
okay, they are doing graduation.
You said that a businessman run away. What about the government sector jobs are doing? They just taking money and not attending the doing their job. They are not doing their job.
Sorry, speak.
What they are doing in a job sector? What are going in a job sector like a government hospital? When you go to a government teachers, what are they doing? They are just taking the government's money. They
Or
are
how can you say businessman doing well job? Well business. No, they also doing.
So if you are talking about the Vijay Mallya, talk about the Tata.
What Tata is also businessman.
What he did to the country?
Yeah.
He did a great contribution to our country.
Okay, so
They didn't include the money.
They eat million of crores rupees.
Who?
What job provider? They are cheater.
So there is a good people, there is a bad people. Why you are only highlighting a bad people? There
So
is a,
most of businessmen,
most of
businessmen is cheater because they are money oriented. That's why they are cheater.
What?
They are providing you job. You are
Sir. First of all, let me complete. Our money is fixed. Our money is fixed. But businessman money is not fixed. They are money oriented. And sir, they are money oriented. And sir, and we can get guaranteed money after doing job. But you cannot get guaranteed money.
Your job is fixed. Your money, salary is fixed.
Yes.
But your job is not fixed. You can be replaced anytime, anywhere.
Ma'am. Yes. Ma'am. First of all, you have no idea. If I am a businessman, in future, if I will lose my business, then my whole career will destroy. But if, listen. But if I am doing a job, then after doing job, we can increase our skill day by day. In future, we can get, yes, we can replace job. In future, we can get a best quality job.
But you are developing your skill for what? For doing under us, for working under us.
No matter where I am doing. No matter what are you talking about. Your business is working because of job worker, because of job.
So your job is also working because of business work.
You are dependent on job persons.
So you are also dependent on a businessman. Yes. Where you are dependent.
Listen.
Let me justify one point. The point of Atif. Here Atif beautifully said that job can be replaced, but business cannot be.
Sir, sometimes they take our life, they do a signature of businessman and they can't do a job.
Agreement. Agreement. No, if a company owner fires you, it's okay. I can just be hired somewhere else.
After improving his skills.
Exactly. Neha.
And also, the people says that it is very unsafe for doing job for girls. Especially they are highlighting that they are honey trap. The person who molest, the person who honey trap, the person is only the owner of the company. He only molests the girls. He sake of the money, for the sake of money, he only molests the person.
Sometimes assistant surround the married CEO and the director just because they know that he is married, but they are like rounding around the director. They can't. They want honey trap.
Ma'am, you're telling that.
They want honey trap, sir. How can someone honey trap? They are like, they know they are married, but they are like,
means we girls are doing this honey trap, right?
I'm talking about assistant. I'm not talking about girls. And if you are doing girls are not safe, boys are also not safe. And if we are not safe in a road, we are not safe in our home.
So definitely, then why you guys are only highlighting the points to the jobs holders? Why you are only throwing this capability to only the jobs holders?
So,
you should understand that both the thing parties are even facing this.
I'm saying that you should aware of girls. Just because someone is being molested, we should not stop the business. Someone is being molested, we should aware them. We should make them aware that they should raise a question, and it's not a business problem, it's a boss problem.
So that is the boss problem. The person is the boss. The boss is only the owner of the company, na?
Change the company. Why are you
How,
working there?
how can I change the company? Right now you have said that the job is not replacement, as you have just said to your brother. How can I?
Sir, but when the molestation, when something occurring with her, she should be aware. She should complain of police station.
I'm aware of. Every girl is aware of. What are you telling? Every girl is aware that it is not safe.
So, sir, just because of a molestation occur, a business should be stopped.
Because of, see,
Where will you go for a job? So
one question.
I'm asking, where will you go for a job?
One question. You are earning lot of money. I would say the money-oriented people. You are earning money for whom? For whom? But itself you not giving time to your family. Even my father. Let me,
Sir,
my father, sir. Sir, my father. Sir, one thing I just want to share.
businessman is not overriding job.
Just one thing I want to share. So my own father, he is in other country, just because sake of money. And we hardly get the love of our father in a year. Hardly. No sir, he is businessman, sir. Sir, for sake of money, even sometime he never call us, sir, because of business. Because of business, we have faced this.
What kind of business you are doing? Not every
No, sir, because sir, when a person earns 1 rupees, he is greedy, sir. He is very greedy, and his greed is that he even leaves her family, sir. It comes. Sir, it's not like that. Ki my father has left us, but the situation has made us left, sir. Situation.
Sir, he said that his father is go abroad. A job holder also go there. And they are working 14 hours, and they can't call that time doing working time. My father also living, and he's doing a self-employment. He's not doing a business, not doing any job.
Sir, but mostly people are going for the business, sir, in the other country.
Good evening to all. Good evening, sir. And I would like to thank Kev sir to giving me opportunity to express my thought and support of job, because job provides to youth develop their knowledge in doing anything, and business doesn't provide anything like any knowledge to youth, anything about the youth. And job holder also provide the security to the patient, like patient safety provide the job holder. And businessmen also have a black money. They only looting the people. They don't provide any kind of policy to people. But a job holder getting a policy until they are dead. They will death. They die.
How can you say that company is not providing policy? Do you know about the Reliance company? If you do work in
So
Reliance,
we get as a job holder, right? Na?
yes. Tell me, you are saying like that, na?
So we have an opportunity to get the insurance.
Listen. You said na company is not providing policy to when someone
I am
hired the company.
Guys, no debate. Only people come and talk.
job holder provide to youth to develop their mind to improve any creativity for nation. And job holder also provide to help the people who are lacking behind anything, who are not able to earn money, and they are also providing to help that people. But a businessman only thinking about the how to make money. They don't pay any tax and GDP. That's why they have black money.
Good evening, everyone. I want to say like there is more respect. And some persons say if we will do business, we can grow our society and all things. But what about that person, soldier and police? If they are also will do business, then who person go there? But who person will protect our society and all person? Because of them, we are protect and we are safe here. That's it.
Good evening, sir. Good evening, everyone. Today I am in favor of business. If a person doing a job, if he may face some problems during 30 days, how can he manage it? But if a person, he is a businessman, he can earn money every day. You can touch money. He can manage everything. Sometimes your job just only fulfill your basic needs, but not your dreams or desires. In India, there are so many people. They are just charging job. Because of job, we are just almost 7 crore people are unemployed. So at the same time, we lost so many intelligent people or skillful people like Sundar Pichai. Everyone says Sundar Pichai. Sir, Sundar Pichai is doing job. So he is so intelligent, but he fulfilled another person's dream. Another person, another country, in another country. So that's all.
Good evening, everyone. According to me, there are two type of people exist in the world. First one is employee and second one is entrepreneur. So according to me, what is entrepreneur and what is employee? Employees those who not take risk, and entrepreneur is those who take risk. So capsir is one kind of a risk taker person. Because of and those who take risk, he and she start your own business and give more chance to other people to join us as a job holder as a job holder people. So one entrepreneur create a more type of jobs. That's all. Thank you.
Good evening. Sorry, sir. Good evening, Kevsar, or good evening, everyone. I want to share one point. Ki if every person Jai Bajrangbali. If I am one person is a businessman, that time businessman person earn money time according. Businessman, one person is businessman, he is running business. So that time businessman person earn money time according. But you are doing job, that time you not earn money time according. According to time. And business person, if I am businessman person, that time I leave my family. I give time 1 hour. My family enough. But I live together laughly. Hasker. Bas. That's good.
Yes, मैं